So I'm surprised there's not many videos, or well, not that I can see even one video of on how to take this bloody thing off. I just did it myself. I got pictures from someone online that I'm buying a second-hand one off to see if it fixes the clicking sound and the poor idle performance and overall more fuel consumption from this little bugger to see if it fixes it. So this is legitimately how you take it off. Okay. This top one is a piece of crap. You just lift this up. This is the electrical wire one, and then you just pull it back. Everyone can take this one off. It's just the other two. Sorry. So there's that one here. That's the electrical. Now, this one here. People are wondering how the heck do you take this one out? Well, it's not on this top. It's not, you don't push this thing in, which I always thought you had to push this thing in here. It's not that at all. It's actually underneath. It's underneath. I've already pulled it out, but I'll show you what you have to do. So, where is it? See that little thing down here? You push that. Look, if you can see, you push that down and then you pull it out. That's all. I never saw that down there. I was always thinking, well, there's this bloody thing in the top. See, I've already tried to push it down before. Yep, wasn't even that. And the biggest pain of them all is this one. So I did not even touch these on the sides. I'm going to take it out because I've already got it out. Look. So that's the bastard out. But what you do with this, it's this thing here. That's legitimately, see, I've absolutely munted the shit out of it. And I tried to set this side too, if it's going to zoom in for me, but it's not going to. No, I'm sorry guys, my phone is a piece of absolute donger shit. Hold on. Zoom in properly, you dog. Anyway, this here, I tried to push that in, like people are saying, you push both sides in, so that side and this side, and you push it in and then you pull out. I never did that. What I did, screwdriver, very, very tiny screwdriver, put it in this top one. And see this top one, that's what's really munted though, but put it in here and push down until you can get it through like this. And then literally you pull this away as you're pushing down. So for example, push this way, push up on your screwdriver, and this button, clip, whatever is on top, will eventually give way and release, but you have to pull really hard on this too at the same time. I can't believe there was no videos on this, not that I could say, but I did this myself, and I'm a very simple, bloody, pretty dumb person actually, especially with cars. And yeah, gonna see how the second hand one goes, and then if not, I'll be getting a brand new one to see if it fixes the Evap Solenoid issues, this clicking sound. Alright, thanks for watching. Subscribe and like the video if this actually helped.